Hello my dear students, welcome again to E-Class of General Knowledge and I am your Sarika Sharma ma'am. Today we will read the following topics: National Parks and Sanctuaries, Animal Adaptations and Make a Connection. Let's begin with the topic National Parks and Sanctuaries, page number 48 and 49. Children, national parks and wildlife sanctuaries are spread across different states of India. What do you mean by national park? A national park is meant for the protection of both wildlife and plants. No human activity is allowed inside a national park. What do you mean by a wildlife sanctuary? Is a mean for the protection of wildlife only, right? Limited human activities are allowed inside a wildlife sanctuary. And if you will ask, ma'am, what is the purpose of these parks and sanctuaries? So, my dear students, without national parks, certain animal species are at greater risk of becoming एक्सटिंक्ट. कहते हैं ना वो एनिमल्स आर बीइंग एक्सटिंक्ट. मैंने पहले भी आपको पढ़ाया था. द एनिमल्स विच आर एक्सटिंक्ट लुप्त हो जाते हैं. सो दे आर प्रोटेक्टिंग दीज टाइप ऑफ एनिमल्स. अ लैंडस्केप नीड्स टू बी प्रोटेक्टेड इन ऑर्डर टू प्रोवाइड हैबिटेट फॉर वाइल्ड लाइफ. Animal sanctuaries give a specific place where animals are kept in captivity in order to preserve the species. Let's have a look of some national park or sanctuaries. Jim Corbett National Park. I think you might have gone there. Sundarbans National Park. The pictures are on your screen. You can see easily. And these all pictures which I am showing you is related to your book only, chapter only. That Panna National Park. Beautiful Kanha National Park. Periyar National Park, which is in Kerala. Now come to the exercise, children. In this exercise, as I told you, we will read about the different national parks and sanctuaries. First of all, we will talk about Jim Corbett National Park. Jim Corbett National Park, it is the oldest national park in India, located at the foothills, छोटी-छोटी पहाड़ियाँ, of the Himalayan range in Uttarakhand. It was established to protect the Bengal tigers. Some main purpose was there to protect the Bengal tigers. It is named after the popular wildlife story writer Jim Corbett. किसके नाम पर है ये? Famous popular that is a popular wildlife story writer Jim Corbett के नाम पर ये पार्क का नाम है. And what is the purpose? To protect the Bengal tigers. Kaziranga National Park, located in the Assam. It is only habitat मतलब जहाँ रहते हैं, that is the animal lives, of one horned rhinoceros in India as well as the world. So Kaziranga National Park is the only habitat of the one horned rhinoceros. Now next is Keoladeo Ghana National Park. Children, if you love birds, you should visit this national park in Rajasthan. Where this park is situated? It is in the Rajasthan. It was earlier called the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. पहले इसका नाम था Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. Now it is known as the Keoladeo Ghana National Park and it is in the Rajasthan. You can see different migratory and other birds in this park. You can see all this migratory bird in this. Okay. Now next is Periyar National Park. The Periyar National Park is situated in the Western Ghats in Kerala. Elephants are major attraction here. Besides elephants, wild pigs, sambar, barking deer, mouse deer and the Nilgiri thar can also be spotted here. Children, Periyar National Park, it is in the Kerala. And what is the major attraction? Here the major attraction is elephants. Now come to the Bandhavgarh National Park. Bandhavgarh National Park, it is in Madhya Pradesh. And it has a good number of tigers in India. The white tigers are the major attraction of this national park. Bandhavgarh, it is located in Madhya Pradesh. And what is the attraction here? White tigers. Okay, now come to the next. Next is here Kanha National Park. Children, Kanha National Park, this national park again it is in Madhya Pradesh, and Bandhavgarh National Park is also in Madhya Pradesh and is the most known for its efforts to save the rare species of swamp deer. And do you know what do you mean by swamp deer? आपने नाम जो next है इसका वो most probably सुना होगा, that is Barasingha. So Kanha National Park located in Madhya Pradesh, and it is the major attraction of here it is Barasingha. Okay, that is known for its efforts to save the rare species of Barasingha. Next, children, Gir National Park. This national park and wildlife sanctuary in Gujarat, very famous city, is the only one of its kind that has Asiatic lion. So next is Sundarban National Park. It is one of the largest and oldest national park in India, located in the delta region of the Ganga. It is covered with mangrove forests and is the original home of the Royal Bengal tiger. Sundarbans National Park, it is located in the delta region of the Ganga and it is the home of the Royal Bengal tiger. Next, Panna National Park, located again in Madhya Pradesh. It is one of the best maintained national park in India. Cheetal, Chinkara, Sambha and sloth bear are some of the animals found abundantly in this region. So children, here if you see Bandhavgarh, Panna National Park and Kanha National Park, three parks are in Madhya Pradesh. Bandhavgarh, the attraction is white tigers. Kanha National Park attraction is Barasingha, and Panna National Park it is Cheetal, Chinkara, Sambar and sloth bear. So three national parks are in Madhya Pradesh. And what others we have studied? Jim Corbett National Park, Kaziranga, Koilado, Periyar, Bandhavgarh, Sundarbans, etc. Gir National Park. Now come to the exercise, my dear students. Read the statements below. Put a tick or for things you should do and cross the things you should not do when visiting a national park. What the precautions you should take while going or visit to the national park, and you have to tick that correct answer and wrong the wrong answer. Cross the wrong answer. Number 1, always visit to the park or sanctuary with an authorized guide. हमेशा आपको गाइड रखना चाहिए साथ में. Yes, it is true. Otherwise, you will not know which animal is there, or they will tell you each and everything about. That's why we are keeping the guide with us. Next, blow horn inside the park sanctuary to attract animals. आपको horn बजाने चाहिए? No, beta, no. Cross. Third, wear khaki, olive or grey clothes and not bright colored clothes. Right, beta? You should wear olive or grey or light colored clothes. So wear khaki, olive or grey colored clothes, not bright colored clothes. Right. Next, maintain silence to have a close look on wildlife. Of course, अगर आप shout करेंगे या आप कुछ उनको problem करेंगे, they may they may attack on you. So yes, maintain silence to have a close look on wildlife. Right. Next, ask your driver to drive slowly at maximum speed of 20 km per hour. Right. Next, throw trash like plastic bottles inside the park. Wrong. Next, get down from the vehicle to move on foot and follow animals. आपको उतर जाना चाहिए और उनको follow करना चाहिए animals को. Wrong. Cross. Next, 8. Show excitement and shout loudly when you spot a wild animal. Children, you should shout in front of animals. Obviously no. So it is cross. Next. Now what is the assignment? This tick the right and cross the wrong one you will do in the book only, children. And assignment, what you have to do? Write names of 5 national parks. You can write any 5. You can write Jim Corbett National Park, Perrier National Park, Kaziranga National Park, Kanha National Park. It's better you take the easiest one, like number 1 you can write Gir National Park, Kanha National Park, Panna National Park, Sundarban National Park and that Jim Corbett National Park. Any 5 national park you have to write. Now students, the next topic is animal adaptation, page number 50. Animals also depend on their physical features and their behavior to help them to be successful in their natural habitat. जगह के लिए, survive करने के लिए. Physical, and what is physical adaptation? Physical body features that help animals survive are called physical adaptation. Where physical body features help, जहाँ पर physical body features insect के या bird के या animals के उनको help करते हैं बेटा survive करने के लिए, they are called physical adaptation. An adaptation, अगर हम introduction देखें तो an adaptation is a special skill which helps an animal to survive and do everything it needs to do. Some of these adaptations are physical and some are behavioral. So here are some insect or animals pictures. Stick insect. A stick insect escapes being eaten by looking just like a twig or a stem. Leaf bug. Leaf bug are also called the walking leaves बेटा. जैसे लग भी रहा है ना आपको, देखो leaves की shape है और it is in the lesson also what the insect or animals pictures I am showing you on your screen. These all are related to your chapter only. Just देखो अगर इसको देखा जाए तो ये leaf के है and it is called the walking leaves because they sway back and forth to mimic the way leaves blow in the wind. Next, sea cucumber. Children, looks like a cucumber na. So the sea cucumber, when sea cucumber are attacked, they throw out their internal organs which are toxic and foul tasting. Next, come to the exercise, my dear students. Introduction has already given. Now read the clues and name the animal. The dash insect escape being eaten by looking just like a twig or a stem. I told you before that also. Answer is stick. S-T-I-C-K, stick. Question number 2. Dash are covered with long sharp spines. They roll into a ball when danger comes near. So ये फिजिकल फीचर हो गया कि जब वो कोई उनको अटैक करता है या डेंजर उनको लगता है उनके पास है, they roll their just roll into a ball. So the answer is hedgehogs. H-E-D-G-E-H-O-G-S, hedgehogs. Dash, you can see in the book also, spider monkey. A dash has a pareincial capable of grasping tail that it used like a fifth limb to hold branches. Our answer is spider monkey. S-P-I-D-E-R-M-O-N-K-E-Y. Next children, The dash can snap its claws so quickly that it creates shock waves in its surrounding waters. Answer is pistol shrimps. And what is the claws, children? Children, claws is one of the long curved nails on the end of an animal or bird. Long और curved nail होता है animals के just on the end side. So this is the claws. Its claws, वो claws करता है quickly एकदम. Next, when dash are attacked, they throw out their internal organs which are toxic and fall tasting. Smell होती है, tasting मतलब smell, taste, smell amount of difference. This is what. So answer is sea cucumbers. SEACUCUMBERS, cucumbers. Question number 6. A dash sweats out a bright blood-like red substance to protect itself from the sun and infections. It is often called blood sweat. Answer is hippopotamus. You can see on your book also, picture number 3 is the picture of hippopotamus. The spell is HIPPOPOTAMUS. A hippopotamus sweats out a bright blood-like red substance to protect itself from the sun and infection. और इनको हम क्या कहते हैं oftenly? Blood sweat. Next, children, I shown you in the picture also. The dash are also called the walking leaves. Because they sway back and forth to mimic the way leaves blow in the wind. The answer is leaf bug. LEAFBUG, bug. Next, 8. The humps of dash. Just see the picture. Also, the humps of मतलब जो the ऊपरा हुआ जो part होता है, that is hump is called, जो camel में होता है बेटा. The hump of dash are filled with fat which can be converted into energy and water in lean times. Moreover, they do not sweat till their body temperature reaches nearly 105 degree Fahrenheit. And the answer is Bactrian camels. Already you know that humps are in the camels, and what is the feature of these humps? They are filled with fat which can be converted into energy and water in lean times. Children, lean means to move the top part of your body, मतलब सहारे से खड़ा करना, and head for forward, backwards or side. किसी का सहारा लेके खड़े होना, we can say like that. Lean means to move the top part of your body and head forward, backwards or side. So the answer is Bactrian camels. BACTRIANCAMELS. Bactrian camels are filled, and humps मतलब जो उभरा हुआ part है, that is there. You can see. Just if I will show you, it is the hump, right? And they are filled with fat which can be converted into energy and water in lean times whenever they need. When they do not sweat till their body temperature reaches nearly 105 degree Fahrenheit. And it is the diagram of leaf bug. It is a picture of hippopotamus, I told you. This is spider monkey, right? So once again we will repeat the first question. The stick insect escapes being eaten by looking just like a twig or a stem. Second, hedgehogs are covered with long sharp spines. They roll into a ball when danger comes near. Third, a spider monkey has a prehensile capable of grasping tail that it used like a fifth limb of whole branches. Next, the pistol shrimps can snap its claws so quickly that it creates shock waves in its surrounding waters. Next, when sea cucumbers are attacked, they throw out their internal organs which are toxic and fall tasting. Sixth one, a hippopotamus sweats out a bright blood-like red substance to protect itself from the sun and the infections. It is often called blood sweat. 7. The leaf bug are also called the walking leaves because they sway back and forth to mimic the way leaves blow in the wind. 8. The humps of the bacterian camels are filled with fat which can be converted into energy and water in lean times. Moreover, they do not sweat till their body temperature reaches nearly 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Children, I hope you understood this lesson about the animal adaptations. You have to write this lesson in your book. Do page number 50 in your book. Now let's come to the last topic, that is page number 51. Make a connection. Children, what do you mean by make a connection? An association or relationship between two or more people or things. This is a relationship. This is a connection. Connection, an association or relationship between two or more people or thing. So here given below are two words. Can you think of a word which connects the two words? It is quite simple. Just put your brain into it, right? It is only the simple. So let's have a. We have given in this book we have been given two words and you have to join with one word. Lock and piano. What is the same word? Connect word? It is key. K-E-Y, key. Lock key. Piano also have the key. Pillow and coat. Both are joined with case. C-A-S-E. Pillowcase, coat case. Pillow consists of a filter material and enclosed in a fabric cover or shell cover are made up of cloth such as silk known as pillow case. क्योंकि कोट केस तो आपको पता है, इसीलिए मैंने पिलो केस का बनाया. ये छोटे छोटे फिल्टर मटेरियल के बने हुए होते हैं, फैब्रिक के बने होते हैं एंड शेल कवर के रूप में होते हैं एंड मेड अप ऑफ क्लोथ सच एज सिल्क एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड पिलो केस. रिवर का एंड मनी जस्ट अटैच. रिवर बैंक और लिख के हम नदी के किनारे पे बैठे थे. बैंक एंड मनी बैंक. सो सेम वर्ड इज बैंक. स्कूल एंड आई. The small ball you have in eye, the correct black ball, that is called pupil. The answer is pupil. School में भी pupils होते हैं. P-U-P-I-L, pupil. Gift and card. What is the same word? Yes, it is pack. P-A-C-K, pack. Gift pack, card pack, right? Packet of card. Then bed और paper को एक word से आप attach कीजिए, connect कीजिए. That is sheet. Bed sheet, paper sheet. Then army and water, just connect with one word beta. Army tank, water tank. T-A-N-K, tank, right beta? Now come to tennis and noise. Tennis का तो रैकेट मालूम है, R-S-C-K-E-T. And what is about racket? Tennis racket, water noise, racket. Then next, it's an unpleasant voice. Racket, this is a better unpleasant. आप कहोगे ना मैम noise कैसे racket हो गया? Noise, it is a loud or unpleasant voice that is also called connect with racket. Tennis racket, noise racket. Mother, you also says mummy. And Egyptian mummy is a very famous. And what do you mean by mummy? Egyptian mummy. Egyptian, the dead body of a person or animal which has been kept by rubbing it with special oil and covering it in cloth. Egyptian mummies are very famous. So mother, mummy and Egyptian में भी Egyptian mummy. और यहाँ mummy का मतलब है बेटा, mummy का the dead body of a person or animal which has been kept by rubbing it with special oil and covering it within and it in cloth. और मदर को तो हम मम्मी कहते ही हैं. प्लम्बर एंड स्मोकर, ऑफ कोर्स पाइप. प्लम्बर पाइप से होता है, स्मोकर भी पाइप होता है. लेट्स रिपीट चिल्ड्रन. लॉक की, पियानो की. पिलो केस, कोट केस. रिवर बैंक, मनी बैंक. स्कूल प्यूपिल, आई प्यूपिल. गिफ्ट पैक, कार्ड पैक. Bed sheet, paper sheet. Army tank, water tank. tennis racket, noise, racket. Here noise is connected with rocket, and what here the noise means loud, unpleasant voice. Racket is the meaning of racket is this, loud, unpleasant noise. Mother, mummy, Egyptian mummy, plumber, pie, smoker, pie. Now next question. What 4-letter word can you add to these words to make meaningful word? आपको यहाँ पर 4 words दिए हुए हैं बेटा. I will show you. Log, board, time, guard. As in this chapter पहले ही बोला हुआ है कि you just put your brain into it. So you have to think one word which is making this 4 words meaningful. So the first word is life, lifelong, lifeboat, lifetime, lifeguard. The all 4 words are life, lifeboat, lifetime, lifeguard. You can write it here, life again. Lifeboat beta, a small boat that is carried in a large ship and that is used to escape from the ship it is in danger or sinking, right? लाइफ टाइम आपको पता ही है, लाइफ टाइम अवार्ड मिलते हैं, लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट होता है, लाइफ गार्ड. नेक्स्ट आपको दिया हुआ है नोट, प्रिंट, पाथ एंड बॉल. क्या आएगा बेटा? जस्ट थिंक फुट, FOOT, फुट, फुट नोट, फुट प्रिंट, फुटपाथ, फुटबॉल, राइट? फुट नोट, फुट प्रिंट, फुटपाथ, फुटबॉल. So what will the all here? What will come? Foot, FOOT, foot. You have to write it. Next, you have given foot, egg, drop, back. What is the word will come? Again, back. You will think, right? Back, back foot, back egg, back drop, backpack. Right? So in first lifelong, you will write life in front of board, life in front of time, life in front of guard. Note, footnote. You will write in second one answer, foot in front of print, foot in front of path, foot in front of ball. Next, back answer is back. One answer you have to write. Now only one word you have to write which makes the other words the meaningful. So only one word you have to add. So here it is back, back foot, back egg, back drop, back pack. So this was the lesson about make a connection. So today we have an assignment of this chapter 51 is do page number 51 in your book. I hope you understood all these lessons, children. Thank you very much.